Tom has 17 marbles and his friend gives him 18 more. How many marbles does Tom have now? Seventeen plus 18 is equal to 35. Tom has 35 marbles now. Alex saved $25 last week and $18 this week. How much money has Alex saved in total? $25 plus 18 is equal to 43. Alex saved $43. Sarah has 22 red balloons and 19 blue balloons. How many balloons does Sarah have in total? $22 plus 19 is equal to 41. Sarah has 41 balloons. A bakery sold 36 cupcakes in the morning and 42 cupcakes in the afternoon. How many cupcakes were sold in total? $36 plus 42 is equal to 78. The bakery sold 78 cupcakes. There are 56 cars parked in the first parking lot and 37 cars parked in the second parking lot. How many cars are there in both parking lots? $56 plus 37 is equal to 93. There are 93 cars in both parking lots. Emma has 72 candies, and she bought 19 more at the store. How many candies does Emma have now? $72 plus 19 is equal to 91. Emma has 91 candies now. A classroom has 28 desks in the front row and 35 desks in the back row. How many desks are there in total? $28 plus 35 is equal to 63. There are 63 desks in the classroom. David has 8 dogs, and his dog gives birth to 5 more. How many dogs does David have now? Eight plus 5 is equal to 13. David has 13 dogs now. Give us a thumbs up if this tutorial helped you. Subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step math tutorials.